Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gloria Hormone Skill. So guys, in this video I'm going to be teaching how to make the best vegetable rice series for your baby of 4 months and upwards. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for always watching my video. You're highly welcome back to my channel. And if today is the first time I've come across my channel, thank you for tuning in, and please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you stay updated when next I post any video. If you want to know how I made this, stay tuned and keep watching. So guys, this is a rice I'm going to use for this recipe, but I'm not going to use all. So I have other recipes I'm making with it, so I'm going to just take part of the rice to make this recipe for you guys. So I'm going to start by soaking the rice just for 5 minutes and I'll wash it off. So stay tuned and keep watching guys. So this is it. I have finished washing it, so I'm still going to wash it one more time. So I'm going to cook it. I'm going to use vegetable to cook it together, but I'm going to cook the rice for a while before I add those vegetables so that it will not be overcooked. So these are the two things I'm going to use for this recipe. This is 1 apple and 1 carrot. So I'm going to start by peeling off the apple. Then after that I will cut it because I've already scraped out the carrots and I've washed them. So I begin to cut them into small chunks, but this doesn't take time to cook. You know, apple and carrot doesn't even take up to 2 minutes and it is done. So this is the reason I said I'm going to cook the rice first before I add them. And secondly, I don't want it to be overcooked. When it is overcooked, it's not going to give nutrients to the body. So this is the reason I said I'm going to add it at last. When the rice is done, I'm going to add it, then cook it for just 2 minutes and it is done. I told you guys I'm not going to use all the rice, so this is part of the rice I used. So I've already added the apple and the carrot, so it is done. So I'm going to start to blend it. So while you are cooking your rice, please try and leave some water there, unless you want to add extra water while blending it, because I added a little bit of water off camera. So the one inside this place wasn't enough, so I have to add some more, though it is boiled water. So blend it until it is smooth. So guys, our vegetable rice series is ready. So I'm going to open it and show you guys the texture. So because I didn't allow it to be cold before I blend it, you can see the vapor coming out from the blender. So I'm going to add it inside the cup so you guys can see. Please like, share and leave a positive comment to the comment section. And please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon so that you stay updated when next I post any video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.